extra crispy. Very intentional. Very intentional.
What's very intentional?
The toast. I meant to do that.
Nobody means to do that.
I did, on purpose. Very intentional toast.
Intentional or not, it's fine. I like it dark.
You always say that.
Because it's always dark.
You always take that one. It's chipped.
I know. I still pick it. Every morning.
Why?
It's mine. I decide it's mine every day, again.
That's a strange way to drink coffee.
It's a decision. Small one. Still a decision.
You look tired.
I am tired. I slept late.
Late, like worked late?
No, just didn't sleep. I was on my phone.
Ah,
There was this video, a man trying to parallel park. 5 minutes. Gave up, parked 3 streets away.
that's very honest of him.
Right? I sent it to my sister. Then another video. Then another. Told myself just one more.
Famous last words.
Looked at the clock. Almost 1.
That happened to me last week. 10-minute break. Sofa. Ended up an hour and 15 minutes later.
That definitely wasn't intentional.
No, that one really wasn't.
Unlike the toast.
Unlike the toast. The toast, I chose it. Badly, but I chose it. The sofa hour, I didn't choose anything. It just happened to me.
So intentional just means you picked it. On purpose.
That's the whole word.
Still no milk. I forgot again.
I noticed. The coffee's darker than the toast today.
Very intentional coffee then.
Now you're using it against me. This'll take a minute.
It always does. What are you doing?
Nothing. Just waiting for it.
You could sit down.
I know. I like watching it, though. Small thing.
You know, that's exactly the kind of time you were talking about. Waiting for the kettle.
Huh. It is.
Pocket time.
What?
Small time. In your pocket. Right here, right now, while the water boils. You don't notice you have it.
Pocket time. Better than anything I would have said.
I know. You know what my mother used to say when I wasted a whole Saturday?
Tell me.
The day doesn't come back. Only the bill does.
Darker than the toast.
She's a practical woman. But I think about that sometimes. Not in a scary way, just the day really doesn't come back. Whatever I do with it, that's what it was.
That's basically the same thing I was trying to say, just with better delivery. Your mother should have been a poet.
She would have hated that idea. No money in poetry, she'd say. Okay, but here's my actual problem. I don't have long stretches of free time like you think I do. Between the kids, the house, everything, I don't have a spare hour to be intentional with.
No. Think about this morning, right now. 10 minutes, sitting here. That's not nothing.
This is just coffee.
Is it? You told me about the video. I told you about the sofa. And just now, the kettle. We figured something out. In 10 minutes, before either of us even brushed our teeth. That's a small piece of time we actually used, instead of losing it. You have small pieces of time like this all day.
I don't think I want to plan every minute, though. I still want some hours that go nowhere. On purpose.
That's not the same as wasting them.
Isn't it?
No. If you choose to do nothing, that's rest. If you end up doing nothing without choosing it, that's just leftover time.
Chosen nothing versus leftover nothing.
Something like that.
I like that more than intentional, honestly.
Everyone likes your version more than mine. I'm noticing a pattern.
Maybe you should be intentional about that, too.
I found it. It was under the bed.
You did.
Can we go now?
1 minute. 10 minutes of coffee. Not bad for a Tuesday.
Not bad at all.